Welcome back to the creating the project. We are moving on to the next test in the to do project. Let's open this up. Let's find it. So it's the cannot create multiple users with the same username. I'm doing an only on this one. So what I probably want to do is do this. Find all of these and put a skip on them. Because I think that's how it works. That skips everything, right? Yeah, that skips everything. And then sign up. We want working. There we go. Okay, so sign up is going. And so next up is cannot create multiple users with the same username. So let's unskip that one too. We'll npm test you. And let's see what we got. So this I'm guessing is gonna fail. Okay, so we received a 500 error, and if we take a look at our here, okay, error creating user, severity code message duplicate key, violates unique constraint, user's username key. Okay, so we get the error there. And so we expect this to be a 400 and a specific message to come back, which would be this username already taken, try again with a different username. So we have to catch that as that specific error. Or we have to do a quick check beforehand for that username. So like one of those two things. Now, if we just go ahead and try to create it, that might be the best way to sort of handle this. Let's go routes, create user. So here is map error. So error creating user. We need to catch what this error is. Now, I'm thinking that this error 23505, this is a code, duplicate key, that helps me know that's a duplicate key. Table some users, column none, constraint, some username key. Oh, here, detail some key username equals, username already exists. So that's helpful. So severity error code 23505. Duplicate key violates. Now there's only one duplicate key, one unique, I believe, in here. So actually, if I check for this duplicate, this would be a duplicate key code, right? So let's throw a constant here. So const duplicate key error code. That's gonna be, now it's a string here. That's interesting. So I want you to be a maybe stir is 23505. Let's see if we can capture that. So here we are with you. I am printing out what this error is. I'm taking ownership of it. I could probably reference this. And I mean, in reality, what I probably want to do is match you. So what are you? You're a database error. So user query. I need to check what the code is. Now that's all the way inside of like this query SQLX error database PG. Okay, so what happens if I tried to like extract out? So like that's error dot. So I can do toString provide source. I can't like get like the first thing in here. If I toString you, what's that? Let's actually toString this. So toString to see what is that? What is the toString part of error? If it's just this duplicate key, then we can search for if that error contains that. That might help out. What went wrong? Oh, I potentially don't need you. I'm gonna remove you. Okay, we will run you again. And let's see what our error is. Query error returned from the database, duplicate key value. Okay. We want to see if this matches. So if I could find you inside of there. Okay, so if I do let error message equals error dot toString. Okay, so I want to see if error message, is there like a contains? There is a contains. Okay. If it contains this. Now, I'm a little bit concerned about this here, but maybe that'll just work. So if you contain that, I want to have this message be this one, username already taken. So you become that. So let's do, this is going to be the error message out to, well, it's going to be a different status code, isn't it? So okay, so we're just going to recreate a new app error inside of here. This is going to be a, let's see, bad request, 400, and the message will be, what? Didn't I copy you? Let's try that again. Copy you. There we go. Okay. So I return you else. Otherwise, I want to then eprint line this because it's something completely different. I could just do this error message. Error message here. That should be fine. And then this app error goes up to here. And that way we're returning one app error or another app error. Okay. No errors. So let's run this again. Okay, so we received undefined instead of an actual error message. So what it wants is error. Okay, so error response data error. We are responding, just this message here. We need, so our app error, I think, is responding the wrong thing. Let's go take a look at app error here. So response, status to be that. Okay, so data, and then I think this needs to be error. Now, instead of changing everything everywhere to be error, I'm just gonna make it like that. And let's see if that makes you happier. Oh, self dot error clone. Okay, so no errors. Let's try this. It's still undefined. It still can't see what we're sending back. I wonder if I need to put this inside of the data as opposed to inside of just the response itself. It's supposed to be, okay, so it is JSON here. So I'm a little bit confused about what I'm getting back. So let's go ahead and find where this is happening. So cannot create you. Axios post. Okay, we get the error. Okay, we're having a try catch here. We have, here's the error. Let's console log what this error is. So I want error.response. Let's start with that and see if we can find what the, well, let's put the response.data. Let's see if we're getting anything beyond undefined in here. Okay, so run you again. Oh, so I have this error message like that. And I want you to be just error. So I totally forgot that I have this as the error response and this is the error. So I actually want to undo all this stuff. You become error. And that one can still be the message. That should make this work now. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. And now they're both passing. Excellent. Okay, so I'm going to come back into the test. We're going to remove this console log because we don't need that. We don't have, anytime I make a change, I just like to rerun the test just to make sure I didn't break anything, even if it's just removing a console log. We're good to go there. There's no warnings, no errors. So we're going to commit this. So we cannot save duplicate, or maybe this is more of like handling duplicate usernames. Okay, and I'll go ahead and push that up. This was a lot shorter than the last one. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.